Let's talk about something that's helping thousands of tradespeople build better careers: the Parts Technician online course. If you've ever worked around equipment, vehicles, or machinery, you know how important the right part is at the right time. A certified parts technician is the backbone of every maintenance, repair, and logistics operation. And now, you can earn that certification completely online through flexible, industry-recognized training programs designed for busy professionals. So, what exactly does a parts technician do? They identify, source, and supply mechanical, electrical, and structural components for every type of machine you can imagine. That means working closely with technicians, engineers, and suppliers to make sure production never stops. The Parts Technician online course gives you those essential skills, from cataloging and inventory management to pricing, customer service, and technical documentation. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys hands-on problem solving and organization. You'll learn how to read manufacturer manuals, handle specialized software, and maintain accurate records. And since the course is online, you can study at your own pace, whether you're upgrading from a warehouse role or starting fresh in the trade. Here's the thing: this isn't just about memorizing part numbers. It's about understanding how mechanical systems work, how supply chains function, and how to keep operations running efficiently. Most programs are built around national occupational standards, which means your training matches what employers expect on the job. The certification exam usually includes 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions. You'll have about 3.5 to 4 hours to complete it, and the questions focus on real-world scenarios. Things like troubleshooting inventory errors or identifying safe handling procedures. It's not just theory, it's what you actually face in the workplace. Now let's talk preparation. Most successful students begin studying 3 to 6 months before their exam. They use structured resources that focus on key areas: safety, math, tools, customer service, and technical knowledge. That's where JourneymanStudyGuide.com can really help. You can start with our question and answer books to test your baseline knowledge. Then move on to the Q&A with explanation guides, where every correct answer includes a short, clear reason behind it. Finally, practice under pressure with our online time tests, just like the real exam environment. All of our study tools are digital, so you can download them instantly, no shipping delays. You can review them on your phone or tablet between shifts, during travel, or on lunch breaks. Thousands of tradespeople across the US use these materials to build confidence before writing their certification. And remember, confidence is key. Many learners haven't taken an exam in years, and that's completely normal. Take it one topic at a time. Break your study sessions into short, focused blocks. Use visuals, flashcards, or even explain a concept aloud. Teaching yourself helps you remember better. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Passing the Parts Technician online course exam opens doors to better pay, stronger job security, and even supervisory or management roles. It can also lead to opportunities in procurement, quality assurance, or logistics coordination. And the best part? That certification stays with you for life, proving you've mastered your craft and earned professional respect in the trade. So if you're serious about upgrading your career, take the first step today. Visit JourneymanStudyGuide.com to explore the Q&A books, explanation-style guides, and online practice tests. Start your journey toward becoming a certified parts technician, and take pride in every part that keeps America running.